Welcome back to my channel YouTube. This is the 5th episode of my Python for Everybody series, and today's task is assignment number 2.2, which is in week 4. So let's find out what that is. Here we go. So you're supposed to write a program with the input function and enter the name Sarah when the pop-up dialog box appears. Let me just zoom in so you can see better. Okay, now our output has to match this desired output, which says hello Sarah, and as I mentioned before, this is case sensitive, so the H and S have to be capital. Okay, the first line is a comment which says the code below almost works, and this is our variable name, which will store our input value, and we have to write hello Sarah, not howdy. Hello, comma, and then we'll enter the variable name. And now if we check our code, a pop-up dialog box appears and we have to write the name Sarah with S capital. And it's done. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more problem solving videos. Till next time, what's your problem?